Supercar lovers, get ready for the ultimate treat. Lamborghini has something in store for you that will blow your mind away. With the successor of the Aventador on the horizon, the supercar world is buzzing with rumors and speculation. Everyone wants to know what the new model will look like, how it will perform, and what kind of engine it will have. But what if we told you that we have an inside scoop on the SVJ variant of the Aventador successor? That's right, and it's sure to leave you speechless. Lamborghini Aventador successor is insane. The 3D rendering created by renowned automotive designer, the Hycade, is based on leaked patent drawings, and it truly captures the essence of the SVJ variant. The front fascia inspired by the Cyan and the Centenario inspired taillights are just a couple of the many stunning features of this supercar. The side vents have been completely redesigned, and the pair of buttresses at the rear add to the sporty look of the car. The sporty body kit includes a more aggressive front splitter, intricately designed side skirts, and a massive rear spoiler, reminiscent of the Aventador SVJ. When it comes to performance, the SVJ variant is expected to pack a punch with its powerful hybrid engine that's expected to produce 1,050 horsepower. The interior of the SVJ variant is equally impressive. The cockpit is designed to provide maximum comfort and an exceptional driving experience. The use of premium materials and the latest technology makes the SVJ variant a true work of art. The Lamborghini Aventador successor is shaping up to be a true marvel of engineering, and the SVJ variant is sure to be the crown jewel. It's a perfect fusion of style, performance, and technology, and it's sure to leave you in awe. So, if you're a supercar enthusiast, make sure you don't miss our next video. We'll bring you more exclusive details about the Lamborghini Aventador successor and its SVJ variant. Subscribe now and stay tuned.